Hey, I'm John G. And I'm with Larry Cowdery in Long Bottom, Ohio. He's about to show me something amazing. We're doing Meatball Madness at October 3rd at 12:30 at the Northeast Pizza and Pasta Expo. But you know what? You think you have to make meatballs? You can also grow them. This is the Madagascar meatball cabbage. Madagascar Cabbage. So we're trying to find one here. And you've got this row of them that you planted, right? Can you find a...
I think this one's ready.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Hold it. Is it inside there?
Yeah, look at that. Check it out.
Oh, there's one. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Beautiful little baby. Wow. A nugget of meatball. This is crazy. Only comes up every 5 years. Oh man. That's so good. That is so good, Larry. Bravo, man. Don't miss it.